Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this a really easy and beautiful Bactus shawl. Maybe it looks like a regular triangle shawl, but it's not. We're gonna start from here and go this way. That's the end of the shawl. It's so hard to show, but I made a little border here. I like to make it look like here. I made it big, so big that it looks triangle. If you want, you can make it short like this, okay? Not like that. Yeah, like this. You can finish it here and make a cowl. It's up to you. As I told, you're gonna start here and go this way, so you can stop anywhere you want. For this, I use this yarn, Alize Bella Ombre Batik. It's category 1 yarn, not so smaller, a little bit thicker category 1 yarn. And it has a beautiful color, so I like to use this, but I think there is this leftover yarn, maybe 100 grams, so 150 grams will be enough. 200 grams will be fairly enough for this one. If you want to make a cowl, you can use 100 grams. So with this yarn I use 5mm hook, so it looks so lacy. I haven't used any blocking technique or iron steam, but it looks beautiful even now, and I hope you like this shawl. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can find the subscribe button below. Just click it, it's totally free, and if you are ready, we can start now. Make a slip knot, then chain 4. Insert from this first stitch, grab the yarn and join with a slip stitch. Now that's our ring. We are gonna work into here. Chain 3. This 3 chains does not count as a double crochet, okay? For one row it does not count, for the other row it will count. I'm gonna show you it, okay? But don't mind this right now. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. That's the double crochet, and make 3 more. Now we have 4 double crochets and these 3 chains. Chain 1 and into here ring, make 1 more double crochet, and this will be our increases space. Chain 6, three chains as a double crochet, 3 chains as a 3 chain space. Yarn over, turn into this 1 chain space, put a double crochet, chain 3, and into this space put 1 more double crochet. And that's all we are gonna make for this row. We made 2 big V's. We are gonna work into them for the next row. Just leave here, chain 3, turn, that's not a double crochet again, and into this 3 chain space put 4 double crochets. Chain 1, and into the next put 4 again. Chain 1 and make 1 more double crochet here. Chain 6, turn. Into this first space we are gonna make our increase again, 2 big V's, chain 3, make 1 more double crochet. We have sorry, just a second. We have 2 sets of 4 double crochets for this third row. Now we will need to increase them. For this row we need to make 3 V's. So into this 1 chain space put a double crochet, chain 3 and a double crochet, chain 3, turn, into this first space, 3 chain space, put 4 double crochets, chain 1, into this next put 4, chain 1, and into the next put 4. Chain 1 again and put 1 more double crochet here. Chain 6, turn and make 2 big V's, sorry, do not make a chain. Into this chain 1 space put a double, 3 chains and a double, and into this next chain 1 space put a double, 3 chains, 1 more double. So we have 4 V's right now. Chain 3, turn, put 4 double crochets, one chain, 4 double crochets, 1 chain, 4 double crochets, one chain and 4 more double crochets. For the last time, make a chain and 1 double crochet. Chain 6, make 2 V's, 1, 2, 3, into this next space make a double, 3 chains, 1 more double into the next, make a V, into the next, make a V, chain 3, turn and make 4 double crochets, and that's all we are gonna repeat. Okay, each row you are gonna have one more for a double crochet set, and you will leave 4 double crochet, 4 double crochet sets behind for each this double crochet row. Just put 4, 4, 4, 4 and 1 chain, 1 more double crochet. When you turn back, make your increase with 2 V's, then into the 1 chain spaces put V's again, and for the next row you're gonna have 6 V's. Just keep repeating this. I come back when I make. Okay, I made this bigger. If you measure from here to here, it's 120 centimeters. I made it big. If you measure from here to here, it's even bigger. Oh, that's enough for me. Now we are gonna close it. Chain 3, turn, make 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets, chain 3, insert into this next V, join with a slip stitch, then chain 3, make 4 double crochets, chain 3, make a slip stitch, chain 3, make 4 double crochets, three chains into this next V, join with a slip stitch, and keep repeating this, okay, till the end of the row. See you there. When you reach to the end, you're gonna make the last one here, and that's our last V. I just make 3 chains and join with a slip stitch, then chain 1, cut this yarn. I will not make one here, and hide the yarn. So that's all. It's a little hard to show all of it, but it looks beautiful. Believe me. I'm gonna put photos, of course, you will see all of it. And hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Ravelry, Etsy, Pinterest, Facebook. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.